Hey guys, we're getting ready to finish this tile floor. We got it all laid. And we just wanted to talk a little bit about how to get a really good professional grout job on your floor. So the main thing is you got to keep it clean. Now this is a natural stone, it's Brazilian slate. And when you're dealing with natural stones, the trick is you want to lay it, get it out of the boxes, get it on the floor. But then you really want to, when you're done setting, you got to wash it. Do a really good job. You can see here, we took our time, we changed our water a lot, and then we sealed it with a good quality acrylic sealer. You can use a solvent-based sealer for a more heavy-duty application. This one here is not much of an enhancer, so it's really just to seal off the dirt, and more importantly, for me, or you as the installer, is to act as a grout release. So when you grout natural stone, especially something as porous as slate, you're going to want to use your sealer as a grout release. Otherwise, you're going to get into big troubles. You start spreading out this big floor. It's hot here right now. It's about 25 degrees. And that grout is going to stick to this tile. And you're going to need muriatic acid to get it off, because it's just going to eat right into that tile. It's going to totally bond to it. And you're going to have a mess. So this sealer is going to act as a bit of a release. It's going to make it easy for me to wash. When we're done, we can put a top coat of sealer on the whole floor, just to really do a nice job. So I already have my grout mixed up. Anytime you mix up grout, thin set, you always have to let it slate. You got to let it slate. That means that you got to mix it according to the directions on the bag. Always follow the manufacturer's directions on your thin set or your grout. And then you got to let it slake. Usually it's around a 5-minute slake. That lets all the air come out of the mix. Then you remix it. And here we go. So this is a sanded grout for the floor. You might, if you're using a smoother tile or a heavily glazed tile, you might go with an unsanded grout. Definitely on wall tiles, it's pretty typical to use an unsanded grout. We're doing a floor today, so we have a sanded grout, and it's a little bit runnier than your thin set. I'm going to dish a little bit out here. You want to make sure you really pack your grout joints. Once you get it packed in there, cut across your top at a 45-degree angle and hold your float at a 45-degree angle. The more you scrape off now, the less you got to wash off later. So we're going to work like this across the whole floor, making sure we're packed in the grout joints and come across it from all angles. Grout gives your floor 60 to 70% of its strength. Once the tile floor is all grouted, you're going to have a much stronger floor. You want to do a really good job of grouting it, and plus it's aesthetic. You want to be neat. You're going to be careful with how you wash it off. You don't want to take too much out of these grout joints. You want everything nice and flat, nice easy floor to clean, and you got a happy customer. So everybody have a good day. Thanks for watching.